So for this chapter of MMA, we're going to be talking about saving money and the principles of saving. So basically, saving money is one of the most important financial habits that you can develop. It provides security, helps you achieve your goals, and gives you the freedom to make choices without financial stress. And while it may seem difficult to save at times, but like following a few key principles, these principles can make it much easier. And I'd say one of the best ways to start saving is by paying yourself first. And this means setting aside a portion of your income for savings before spending on anything else. And treating savings like a mandatory expense ensures that it becomes a priority rather than an afterthought. And another essential principle is to set clear saving goals. Like when you have a specific reason for saving, whether it's for an emergency fund, a new purchase, or future investments, it becomes easier to stay motivated. And instead of just thinking about saving in general, knowing exactly what you're working towards helps you be disciplined. And also, I'd say that another simple strategy is to follow the 50-30-20 rule. And this method suggests allocating 50% of your income for necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments. And by using a structured approach like this, you can ensure that you're balancing your spending while consistently growing your savings. And I'd say that starting small is also key because you don't need to save large amounts right away. What matters most is consistency. Even setting aside a small amount each week or month will add up to a lot over time. And the earlier you develop the habit, the more benefits you'll see in the long run. So, finally, as your income increases, you should adjust your saving contributions accordingly. If you get a raise or start earning more, try increasing the percentage of your income that you save. And this way, your savings grow along with your financial situation, allowing you to build wealth and financial security more quickly. And so, overall, I'd say that by following these principles, saving becomes a natural and sustainable part of your financial routine. And it's not just about setting money aside, it's about creating a habit that will help you build a stable and secure future.